Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're looking at oblique cavalier projection. Now, this is a pictorial method of drawing, and here on the left of your screen, it shows a plan above this drawing here and the front elevation below. Right, so we are given the object drawn in third angle projection, and we're required to produce a three-dimensional drawing. And the method that we're using today is oblique cavalier projection or oblique cavalier drawing. Okay, now the first thing we're going to draw is the front elevation. Okay, so I'm going to draw my front elevation. So here we are. So there. All right, we need what? 70 millimeters. All right, then we need 20 millimeters. Then we need 40 millimeters. Then we need 30 millimeters. Then we need another 30, it is, yes, 30 millimeters. And then we need 50 millimeters to close the figure. All right. So what we have done, we have drawn the front elevation of the object which was given in third angle projection. All right. Now, oblique cavalier projection, or drawing as it is called, the three-dimensional effect is given by drawing the receding lines at an angle. Now, the angle can be, the first one I'm going to draw for you is turn off ortho. All right, so we're going to go the width of that is 50. Yes, 50. And the angle, we're going to draw it at 30 degrees for the first one, right? Then we're going to go up 20 millimeters. Then we're going to close it back here, which should be 50 millimeters. Good. Enter. All right. So we have the side. We have just drawn CE. All right. All right. We're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to, right here, the length would be the 50, and the angle would be 30 degrees. All right. And then this line there going back there would be 40, right? Good. Enter. So now we have the flat part, which is right here. Okay. It's right here, there, there, and there. Okay. So we're going to go up from this point. We're going to go up 30 millimeters vertically or in a vertical direction. So we're going to go again. There, we're going to go up. 30 millimeters is the height. Here's the height here, 30. All right, so I'm going to go up 30. All right, then we'll come back. This length will be 50. Enter. All right, I'm going to go again. Line here. The angle would be 30 degrees and the length would be 50. Good. And then we close the figure. And that is your oblique cavalier drawing or projection, right? Good. All right. The other way that you can draw this drawing is the same drawing, but the angle can be 45. And we normally use 45 when we're drawing cabinet cavalier projection or drawing, if you would prefer to call it drawing. All right. So we're going to do the same thing again. So we go line. We start here. So we're starting here, go line, or here. All right, the baseline again was what, 70? So 70. Remember, we're drawing the front elevation for 70. Then we're going to go up 20. Then we're going to go across 40 millimeters. 40. Then we're going to go up again 30 millimeters. Then we're going to go across another 30 millimeters. We're using the measurements that are provided, and then we're going to go down, enter. All right? So now we're going to draw the same lines at an angle, but the only difference is that instead of drawing it at 30, it will be at 45, okay? So the width was 50, 50, and the width is coming from the plan, 50, and the angle is, today is 45 degrees, all right? Then we're going to go up, we're going to go up 20, yes, 20 millimeters. Then we're going to go across, is it 40 millimeters, I believe, 40, right? And if we come back here, it should be 50. Yes, see the 50 there? All right, enter. All right, so we'll go again. Line, there, we go 50, angle, 45, enter. There it is, enter. All right, getting the picture? All right, so we're going to come and finish here now. So there, the length is 50, the angle is 45 degrees, all right? Then we come south. We come south, and we're going to repeat again, the process up here. So we're going to go, line is 50, the angle is 45, enter. And then we close it back here. Now we don't normally draw hidden details in a pictorial drawing, all right? Which is the other side. So we just we're working with the part that we can see at the front, unless the object is made out of glass or transparent plastic. Is that clear? All right, so here we have the 30, we have the 45, same object, but you're drawing it. The receding lines, these lines at different angles relative to the horizontal line. So let's draw the next one now. All right, let's draw the next one. Let's draw the next one. All right, so we're going to go again. Can you guess what's the other angle? So the first one, we drew it at. All right, so if you were following to what I was saying or listening, you would have recalled that the first one that we drew was at 30 degrees angle to the horizontal. The second one that I drew was at 45 degrees to the horizontal. So what did you guess the third drawing will be drawn? What angle do you think the receding, this line will be drawn at? 60 degrees. So good job if you got 60 degrees. If you didn't get 60 degrees, you can follow along, okay? All right, good. All right. Now we're going to draw the third method in which you can represent a pictorial drawing using oblique cavalier projection, right? Now the first thing that we're supposed to really draw is a construction baseline, right? Good. Then the next thing you're gonna do now is draw the line that you need, okay? So we're still on the line command, so we're gonna go there. What's the length of the base again? 70. So we're gonna go 70. Then what was the height for CE? 20. So we're gonna go 20 millimeters. How much you go across a CD? 40. So you go 40. And how much you go up for DB? 30, I believe. Yeah, 30. How much you will come across a AB? I think it's 30. 30 on the drawing to the left. Yes. And going down, the total height was 50. So we can end type 50. And there it is, right? All right. Then now, you're going to draw the lines at an angle, right? The angle will be 60. So we're going to go again. There. So it's there. Uh, So the length of the line is 50 and the angle is 60 degrees, right? Then, so the line we drew a while ago was, it would be C coming from this point, right? So going up C to E is 20, enter. Then going across C to D is 40, so go 40, right? Then going up D to B is 30 based on the measurement, 30, right? Then going across at the top, A to B is 30, right? And then coming down now, down to here now. Length is 50, yes, and the angle 50, right there, enter, right? Need to draw a line again from here, a line. There, there, enter, there, to there, enter, there, to there. If you're paying attention, you see that I use a different way to draw the same drawing, but I took a different approach to produce the drawing, okay? All right. So this would have been the third way in which you can draw the oblique cavalier drawing, right? You have 30 degrees, which is this one. You have 45 degrees and then 60 degrees. All right, let me highlight this drawing. There, 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 right? There, there. Yeah, I think this is the method I did the other previous drawings in this video. There, 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 there. And then you go again. There, there. So if you're using a T-square and set square, these lines that I drew before, these would be a 4H lines, and the ones I'm drawing now is in outlines using a 2H or 3H pencil. Is that clear? Good. So we're gonna come there, 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 there. Good. And this is the third way in which you can draw the oblique cavalier projection, right? All right, let me highlight this drawing there, 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 right? There, there. Yeah, I think this is the method I did the other previous drawings in this video. There, 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 there. And then you go again. There, there. So if you're using a T-square and set square, these lines that I drew before, these would be a 4H lines, and the ones I'm drawing now is in outlines using a 2H or 3H pencil. Is that clear? Good. So we're gonna come there, 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 there. Good. And this is the third way in which you can draw the oblique cavalier projection, right?